Hello friend, good morning. Myself Hina Desai from Ashramik Vidyalaya. Today we learn standard 12th English medium, English subject, Flamingo book, chapter number 5, Indigo, Indigo's question answer. We see in our last video that how Gandhiji worked to Champaran poor peasant. कि गांधी जी ये जो चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जो इंसिडेंट था वो इंसिडेंट वो गांधी जी की पूरी लाइफ चेंज कर देता है। ये चंपारण इंसिडेंट टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ गांधी जी लाइफ। ठीक है, तो हमने ये लेसन में पूरा एक्सेप्ट क्लियर कर दिया। अब ये क्वेश्चन आंसर है। First, understanding the text. First question, why do you think Gandhi considered the Champaran episode to be a turning point in his life? ठीक है, गांधी ये जो चंपारण एपिसोड द टर्निंग पॉइंट मीन्स होल चेंजिंग टू डूइंग समथिंग इन लाइफ मोड। तो ये चंपारण एपिसोड है वो गांधी जी की लाइफ में टर्निंग पॉइंट कैसे हो गया, कैसे तो उसका आंसर आएगा कि चंपारण एपिसोड बिगन एज a help to poor peasant. They suffering of large the Champaran peasants suffering from sharecroppers and that Britishers always treat them very badly and hurting them. That Rajkumar Shukla came and meet Gandhiji and asked to Gandhi, please come with me in Champaran and help us. And we also say that Gandhiji got spontaneous support of thousands of people, poor peasant, that Champaran people support he got. And we also say that Gandhiji decide or declared that the British could not order to us. वो गांधी जी ऐसा कहता कि हम मेरे देश में मैं कैसे रहूंगा, ठीक है, वो मैं खुद डिसाइड करूंगा, वो ब्रिटिशर मुझे नहीं सिखाएंगे। ठीक है, he declared that the British could not order him about in his own country. So Gandhiji considered that Champaran episode as a turning point in his life. Second question, what was Gandhi able to influence lawyers give instruction? How was Gandhi able to influence lawyers give instances? कि जो गांधी जी ने लॉयर गांधी जी को मिलने आए थे, ठीक है, तो गांधी जी ने उन सब लॉयर को कैसे कन्विंस किया उसको हेल्प करने की। तो पहले तो क्या आएगा कि गांधी जी आस्क द लॉयर डेट हाँ यहाँ पे है कि गांधी जी डेट राजेंद्र प्रसाद, ब्रिज किशोर बाबू, मौलाना मजबूल हक, okay, that all lawyer arrive from Bihar and they confess with Gandhi. Okay, and Gandhiji asked them, okay, what would they do if he was sent to prison? Gandhiji asked that lawyer. At that time, the senior lawyer replied that they had come to advise and help him. If he went to jail, there would be nobody to advise and they would go home. At that time, Gandhiji said, what about injustice of that sharecropper, injustice with that poor peasant. Gandhiji demanded that lawyer ki withdraw to consult Rajendra, and after that long discussion, they upshot means they do conclusion that they stay there and they were help to that चंपारण people. They do not go home. ठीक है, तो ये गांधी जी ने वो सारे लॉयर को कंसीव कर लिया. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What was the attitude of the average Indian in smaller localities toward advocates of home rule? ठीक है कि जो what was the attitude means कि जो हमारा attitude of the average Indian in smaller localities towards advocate of home rule. तो क्या लोकेलिटी है कि जो वो पहले अनटचेबिलिटी एंड ऑल थिंग्स आवर देयर. दो average Indian smaller localities were afraid. All time they afraid to show sympathy for the advocate of home rules. And when Gandhiji come at Muzaffarpur at that time, Gandhiji stay 2 days. That Professor Mulkani's house, and that Professor Mulkani was as a teacher in government school. And at that time, it's very strange to government professor give his house as a shelter to Gandhi is oppose the government. ठीक है, फिर भी वो जो मुल्कानी जो प्रोफेसर था उसने वो गांधी जी को रहने के लिए घर दिया था 2 days के लिए. इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज. Now 4th, how do we know that ordinary people to contribute to the freedom movement? कि हम कैसे जान सकते हैं कि जो ऑर्डिनरी पीपल है वो उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में कैसे दिया ऑर्डिनरी पीपल लोगों ने. तो हम इजीली कह सकते हैं कि जब गांधी जी पहली बार चंपारण आए, ठीक है, तो चंपारण गांधी जी जब आए, when Gandhiji reached in Champaran, at that time the very big crowd to welcome to Gandhiji. And when Gandhiji at Muzaffar railway station, at that time at midnight, Gandhiji come this Muzaffar railway station at midnight. At that time Professor J.B. Kriplani and his large body of students were there to welcome Gandhiji. And after that sharecropper, that Champaran come on foot and convey to Gandhiji. And after that we also said that another thing that Muzaffar lawyers call Gandhiji. At that time that vast greeted Gandhiji when Gandhiji reached at Motihari railway station. At that time also so many people greeting Gandhiji. Then thousands of people cover the courtroom. Thousands of people stand around that courtroom. That all shows that the ordinary people to contribute our freedom movement India. Okay, now टॉकिंग अबाउट द टैक्स. कि अभी हम टैक्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम फियर इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन लीगल जस्टिस फॉर द पुअर. डू यू थिंक दैट द पुअर ऑफ इंडिया आर फ्री फ्रॉम फियर आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस? डू यू थिंक दैट पुअर पीपल ऑफ इंडिया आर रियली free from fear after independence? You think that? Yes, for the poor people means their survival are far more important than freedom and all that justice. I don't think that poor people of India are free from fear after independence, because we see that at many in remote area still there are untouchability and all things. Okay, we see that real free in freedom in that the situation are improve in cities, town and all side. ठीक है, लेकिन in remote area still the situation is same, and that money lenders and government officers, they treat very badly that remote village people and farmer and all. So poor people, poor workers still work hard to make that उन लोगों को वो खाने के लिए कुछ रोटी के लिए, रोटी कपड़े मकान के लिए अभी तक उन लोगों को हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है. एंड वी ऑल्सो से दैट untouchability and uneducational population and all things were now present. India became independence in 1947. ठीक है, लेकिन अब तक वो जो that backwardness and all that bad things not go. Still all that all untouchability and corruption, land sharecropper, money lenders, police, revenue officers and all are that nowadays also they treat very badly that poor people. And so many times small farmer committed suicide are quite common problem. And we also said that if this is not due to fear, तो what is the reason behind it? कि अभी वो लोग सुसाइड नहीं करे तो क्या करेंगे, कि अभी तक भी वो जो फार्मर है, ठीक है, वो पुअर पीपल है रिमोट विलेज के, तो उसके साथ अभी भी जो मनी लेंडर सिस्टम है, जो पुलिस है, ऑफिसर्स है, वो लोग बहुत बैडली बिहेव करते हैं. और कभी कभी तो स्मॉल विलेज के जो स्मॉल फार्मर्स है वो कभी सुसाइड भी कर देते हैं. तो उन लोगों को कोई फियर नहीं होता तो वो सुसाइड को करते हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी तक वो रियल फियर आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस है ही. उन लोगों का जो फियर था वो अभी तक गया नहीं है. नाउ सेकंड, द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ गुड लीडर. कि जो गुड लीडर्स की क्वालिटीज क्या है, कि गुड लीडर कैसा होना चाहिए. तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि गांधी जी है, उसमें कौन कौन सी क्वालिटी है. जो गांधी जी में क्वालिटीज है वो सारी एज अ गुड लीडर्स क्वालिटी है, वो सब गांधी जी में है. तो आप लोग लिख सकते हैं कि गांधी जी में क्या क्या क्वालिटी थी. तो वो पहले तो ऐसा, गांधी जी की पर्सनालिटी ऐसी थी कि गांधी जी के साथ पूरा क्राउड खड़ा था. ठीक है, वो कहीं पे भी गए वो crowded, so many people were there with Gandhi ji. Not a single time Gandhi ji was alone. So we can say that a good leader has a mass appeal. Okay, or we can also say that a good leader raise from the masses. के हाँ, वो सभी क्राउड में से खड़ा होता है. Thinks for works for them. एंड वो ऑलवेज, जो गुड लीडर है वो ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट पुअर पीपल, क्राउडेड पीपल. ही और शी कैन नॉट थिंक ओनली हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. they always think to how they serve to people and how they sacrifice all the times. The good leader always sacrifice all times. He never mix politics and religious with each other. ठीक है, तो ये सारी गुड लीडर्स की क्वालिटीज है, वो हमें गांधी जी में दिखाई देती है. सो यू कैन राइट दिस 4 क्वेश्चन आंसर 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 2. Okay, and I send you the PDF important question, so you read this question only. Thank you very much.